Good morning universe, good morning earth, good morning Makasti, and good morning Labrador. To this vlog is unboxing tayo ng enlargement oil para sa ating junior. Good morning universe, good morning earth, good morning Makati City, and good morning Labrador. To this vlog is part 2 natin dito sa unang vlog natin na matagal ko lang ina-upload. Ito, pampatigas to ng ari. Sinubukan ko na to, kaso wala naman akong paggagamitan, Diyos. For example, ito yung ari mo, ganyan, ito yung ari mo. Ilalagay